Marcy Smith Cage Machine SM4008 is an all-in-one home gym system designed to provide a variety of strength training exercises in a compact, durable setup. With a solid steel frame, independent motion upper pulley cable crossover design, and a dual-function leg developer, this machine is ideal for both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts. Its adjustable back pad allows for different workout positions, while the high-density foam ensures comfort during use. Key features: versatile workout options, includes an independent motion upper pulley cable crossover, vertical butterfly station, and Smith machine for guided barbell movements. Strong and durable, constructed with high-quality steel and aircraft cables rated at 2,000-pound tensile strength. Adjustable back pad allows users to perform various exercises in different seating positions. Comfortable and supportive, features boxed upholstery with high-density foam to reduce stress on the body during workouts. Compact design, despite offering numerous workout options, the machine fits well into a home gym space. Customer reviews and feedback. The Marcy Smith Cage machine has received an average rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars, based on 1,025 global ratings. Most users appreciate the machine's versatility, build quality, and a variety of exercises it offers. However, some customers have pointed out issues with the cable system not gliding smoothly and occasional missing parts. Opinions are mixed regarding assembly difficulty, with some finding it straightforward and others struggling with unclear instructions. Positive reviews. One customer described the machine as one of the greatest investments I have made in several years. They conducted extensive research before purchasing and found it to be the best value for the price. After 6 months of use, the machine remains in excellent condition and the customer appreciates its versatility and durability. Another reviewer emphasized the affordability of this machine compared to other home gyms with Smith machines and crossover cables. They noted that assembly took around 12 hours, but organizing the parts beforehand made the process manageable. The reviewer also pointed out that greasing the guide rods with WD-40 improves the Smith machine's motion significantly. Critical reviews. While most users found the Marcy Smith Cage machine a good value, some had complaints about assembly instructions. One user mentioned that the included manual lacked detailed diagrams, making it difficult to follow. Another reviewer experienced cable tension issues and had to make adjustments to ensure smooth operation. Despite these drawbacks, many customers agree that the overall quality and variety of exercises make this machine a solid choice for home gyms. Final verdict. The Marcy Smith Cage Machine SM4008 is a versatile and durable home gym system that offers a wide range of strength training exercises. While assembly may take some time, the machine's robust construction, multiple workout stations, and comfortable padding make it a great investment for those looking to build a home gym. For those willing to put in the effort to set it up properly, this machine provides excellent value for money. If you're interested in purchasing, check the video description for discounts and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness reviews.